kidnap
हाँ.
Rajeshri, so Prabhakar Vardhan would die. So in
Say from first, beta. Say from first.
okay,
And
okay,
don't use eat for anyone. Okay. Uh,
okay, okay.
yes. Say.
Rajyavardhan and Harshvardhan was were son of Prabhakar Vardhan, and Rajeshri was a daughter of one of Prabhakar Vardhan. So
Very
he,
good.
when Prabhakar Vardhan died, Rajyavardhan is king of the city. So at
He
Malur
he,
King,
he, he becomes the uh, higher apparent, means he becomes the next king, right?
yes, next
Hmm.
king. So Malur King name I don't know. He kidnapped Rajeshri.
Okay,
So
I'll say his name.
yes,
His name is King, God of King, God of King Malwa. Okay,
God of
and
King Malwa
hmm.
kidnapped Rajeshri. So
Okay.
when Rajyavardhan go to fight and all thing, he died. So in emergency order, uh, Harshvardhan was become to
Hmm.
a king.
Hmm.
So he he consists he was king of two states. Two
Hmm.
states.
Hmm.
What say? What Kurvi and Kanuj and
Kanuj and
Kanuj
Thaneshwar.
Thaneshwar. Kanuj and Thaneshwar. So Harshvardhan was uh, so brave and so it strong king, and it was last brave king of India.
ओके. अच्छा, आप एक बात मुझे बताओ. हर्षवर्धन, व्हाट डिड ही डू द फर्स्ट वर्क आफ्टर कमिंग ऑन द थ्रोन? चलो.
Ha, okay. He uh, he do he save his first he save his sister and kill
हाँ.
all.
Kill, yes, very good.
And
Okay. Why he
the
killed
throne
King
was
God
so
Shashank?
brave.
King God
Yeah,
Shashank नाम है उनका. Why he killed him?
but
Why did he kill King God Shashank?
because he kidnapped Rajeshri, his sister.
Yes, and apart from that, the other reason is that his brother had also died in in the war with, है ना?
Yes.
Rajyavardhan had also died, right? So
Okay.
all these are the reasons, right? Understood everyone till here? Very well
And
said. Very
sir,
well said,
then
Zaki.
yes, sir, ma'am,
हाँ
then
बोलो.
Pulkesi too. He
यस. पुलकेशी टू जो थे वो कहाँ के थे लीडर? अच्छा,
was
हर्ष
South Indian के थे.
और हर्षवर्धन.
Was North India.
Yes, Harshvardhan was in ruling in the North India. Okay.
Pulkesi too was also brave and young and so powerful.
Yes, yes, absolutely right.
They
You are. हाँ
they
बेटा.
kill they kill so many people of by the war and they
No, मतलब किल करने के लिए नहीं वो लोग लड़ाई
war.
करते थे. Why did they all
Rajyavarman.
kill कर?
Rajyavarman.
They all, they all fought wars to expand their empire. Okay. एक
वो
दूसरे को
राज्य के
मान.
लिए वो
हाँ,
स्टेट में फिर
expand.
वो होते हैं.
Yes, very good. Expand their empire. They always had waged a war. उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Waging a war. Okay. They always waged a war for the reason they wanted to, conquer each other's area. मतलब अपना साम्राज्य बढ़ाना था. समझ
Yes.
समझ में आया? That is why. That is the reason why they, you know, why they war. Okay. It is not that they wanted to kill each other. Understood?
Ma'am, then
हाँ.
Pulkeshi too and Harshvardhan wrote two essay that in
ना
Sanskrit.
ना ना, पुलकेशी ने नहीं लिखे थे बेटा.
Oh,
हर्षवर्धन ने ही लिखे थे.
Harshvardhan four
हर्षवर्धन ने ही लिखे थे. कौन कौन?
Sanskrit में
हर्षवर्धन,
Kandam
हाँ, कदम्बरी एंड हर्ष चरित्र जो थे
Kadambari
वो बन्न भट्टा ने
and
लिखा था. किसने लिखा था?
yes.
बन्न भट्टा ने. है ना?
Bhattacharya.
हाँ. कदम्बरी एंड दिस हर्ष चारित्र
Harshchandra.
है ना. They were written by whom?
One Bhatta.
Yes, Banbhata, a famous scholar. And in which language they had written?
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit.
यस, वेरी गुड. और हर्षवर्धन ने दो प्लेस लिखे थे. कौन से प्ले थे वो?
Yes. मैम वो थे मेरे को याद नहीं है.
प्रियादर्शी
नगनदन,
नहीं,
रत्नावली
वो
and प्रियदर्शिका.
रत्नावली एंड प्रियादर्शिका. एब्सोल्युटली राइट. चलो, एनीवन एनी डाउट टिल हियर?
Ma'am, no,
No,
no
ma'am,
doubt.
it's
नो डाउट्स, एवरीथिंग क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? नाउ
yes.
ह्यूइंगस्टेंग के बारे
Yes.
में एक जकी भूल गए बोलना. ठीक है.
Yeah.
ह्यूइंगस्टेंग चाइनीज ट्रैवलर थे जो 15 साल तक
हाँ,
वहां पे
yes,
रुके.
yes, yes. Yes. मैम वो पहले बुद्धिज्म थे, फिर वो in Pulkeshi to area there was Jainism so many and वो.
हाँ, जैनिज्म वाज प्रोपोगेटेड एंड स्पेशली जैनिज्म में
Yes.
दिगंबर सेक्ट was
Yes.
came to be known to people. Absolutely right, Zaki. Very good
पहले
answer.
सब वो बहुत हिंदू थे. In Pulkeshi
हाँ.
to area there was so many Hindu.
Yes. Understood everyone
Then
about Harshvardhan? Then we will now today complete about Pulkeshi too. Okay? यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है ना? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, चलो. Ali Asghar is there?
Yes,
Ali
ma'am.
Asghar? Yes, बेटा. समझ में आया ना सब कुछ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
चलो, पुलकेशी टू के बारे में रीड करो.
Among the contemporary kings of emperors, Time Pulkeshi II
एक मिनट.
was
क्या नाम है आपका बेटा? मैं भूल गई.
Alisgar.
अली असगर. सुनो, सब बच्चों सुनो. हाँ, जो भी प्रेजेंट है सब सुनो कि ये जो हर्ष है ना, हर्ष लिखा हुआ वो हर्षवर्धन है. ओके. हर्षवर्धन को शॉर्ट में हर्षस भी बोला जाता था. हर्ष. ओके.
Harshvardhan time
हाँ.
Pulkeshi II was the most powerful Chalukya king.
किंग.
He took the power from Rashtrakuta in
राष्ट्रकूटास.
Rashtrakutas in Maharashtra and spread for almost 40 years. He even defeated Emperor Harsh. He was a great winner after defeating Kabab,
कदम.
Kadam,
कदम.
Kadam, Genghis of Peshawar, Mauryas of Konkan. He received the title of Lord of the South. He also defeated Lath,
मालव.
Malu. He was the ruler of all regions of Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Konkan. Just
Yeah.
like her, he had also developed relations with other countries. He had sent one of his ambassadors to Iran's Emperor
खुशरो
Khusru,
टू.
Khusru too, who was his friend.
Yes, absolutely right. Now, thank you, Ali Asgar. Rajani Ali Asgar, thank you. Now, Pulkeshi two. पुलकेशी टू जो थे वो एमंग द कॉन्टेम्पररी किंग्स ऑफ एम्परर हर्षस के टाइम पे थे. पुलकेशी टू वाज द मोस्ट पावरफुल चालुक्य किंग. कैसे थे वो? मोस्ट पावरफुल चालुक्य किंग.
Powerful.
हाँ, ही वाज
मैम ये हो नहीं गया.
हाँ.
ये मैम ये हो गया है.
हाँ बेटा. और वो साउथ इंडिया में रूल कर रहे थे. ओके. Is it clear? Now we will see that what were the other things that Pulkeshi II did during his time. Okay? देखो, पुलकेशी टू जो थे ना, उन्होंने बहुत सारी वॉर भी की थी हर्षवर्धन के साथ, है ना. और हर्षवर्धन तो है ना सेटिस्फाइड थे. कुछ वॉर्स होने के बाद उन्होंने वॉर्स करना बंद कर दिया था. उनको सेटिस्फेक्शन था, बट पुलकेशी टू को नहीं था, है ना. ही केप्ट ऑन वेजिंग वॉर. अंडरस्टूड? he want they both were, as I said they both were great winners, but always Pulkeshi too defeated Harshvardhan हर एक वॉर में, है ना। मैंने जैसे बताया ना, आफ्टर फाइटिंग अ फ्यू बैटल्स Harshvardhan had a feeling of satisfaction, so he stopped indulging into wars. But on the other hand, beta, Pulkeshi too was over ambitious. पुलकेशी टू जो साउथ इंडिया में रूल कर रहे थे वो ओवर एम्बिशियस थे, एंड यू नो ही केप्ट ऑन एक्सपेंडिंग हिज किंगडम बाय कॉन्करिंग रीजन्स थ्रू मोर एंड मोर
मैम
वॉर्स। हाँ बेटा।
मैम ऐसा मैम तो हर्षवर्धन उसको ऐसा हो गया था कि मैं उसके सामने नहीं जीत सकता, और पुलकेशितु
नहीं
को
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं बेटा, ऐसा नहीं है। हिस्ट्री में फीलिंग्स नहीं लिखी जाती है बेटा, हिस्ट्री इज अबाउट फैक्ट्स। ओके, तो he was satisfied, he had a feeling of satisfaction, so he stopped indulging into wars, understood। उनको एक फीलिंग थी, सेटिस्फेक्शन था वॉर्स के लिए, अंडरस्टूड, कि अब वॉर नहीं करनी है, मतलब कि આટલું સામ્રાજ્ય બરોબર, શાંતિ વધારે રાજ્ય નથી સ્પ્રેડ કરો, અંડરસ્ટूड जोहेर?
यस
जोहेर इज
मैम, यस यस
जोहेर इज
मैम
प्रेजेंट ना?
आई यस
Okay. Thus Pulkeshi, yes, thus Pulkeshi too kept on fighting all his life. Okay, and resultantly क्या हुआ? He died while fighting. अच्छा, पुलकेशी टू का डेथ कब हुआ? कि जब वो पालवा किंग कांचीवरम के साथ लड़ाई कर रहे थे तब हुआ था। ये यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा है, तो मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ। जहां तक मुझे याद है 642 में उनका डेथ हुआ था। कौन से ईयर में? 642 में। और हर्षवर्धन का डेथ है ना उनके पुलकेशी टू के 5 साल के बाद हुआ था। तो क्या साल होगा? 642 प्लस 5, 647 में हुआ था। अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड? व्हेन डिड पुलकेशी टू डाई? ही डाइड इन 642, जब उनकी लड़ाई हो रही थी पालवा किंग के साथ, जिनका नाम पालवा किंग कहाँ के? कांचीवरम के थे वो किंग। तो कौन से साल में पुलकेशी टू की डेथ हुई थी? 642 में, जहां तक मुझे याद है। ओके, और हर्षवर्धन की डेथ उनके पुलकेशी टू के 5 साल के बाद हुई थी। तो 642 प्लस 5 हमने किया ना, 647 होता है ना, कितना होता है? करो तो, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 हुआ ना?
47।
हाँ, 647 में पुलके हर्षवर्धन की डेथ हुई। समझ में आया?
यस मैम।
फिर भी देखो, इतने लड़ाई कर रहे, इतने वॉर्स वो लोग कर रहे थे, पुलकेशी टू ही विन होता था। हाँ, तो भी हर्षवर्धन कंसीडर हो रहे बेटर किंग देन पुलकेशी टू। अंडरस्टूड? क्योंकि वो लिटरेचर के फॉन्ड ऑफ थे,
यस मैम।
है ना, वो लिटरेचर लिखते थे, एम्बिशियस थे, रिलीजियस लवर ऑफ आर्ट थे। फिर उनको ना ही इतना बेटा, हर्षवर्धन जो थे वो डोनर भी थे। याद है मैंने आपको लास्ट में बताया था कि उन्होंने 100 विलेजेस नालंदा विद्यापीठ के लिए डोनेट किए थे। तो हर्षवर्धन गुड डोनर थे, अंडरस्टूड, पब्लिक वेलफेयर के लिए वो वर्क करते थे। अंडरस्टूड? Pulkeshi too was also an over-ambitious king. He also spent his time in expanding, but what he did, he spent most of his time in expanding the kingdom and conquering new territories. Understood? Hence, he did not find enough time for administration and public welfare. Understood?
यस
That is why it is said
यस
that he had a huge kingdom, but he did not know how to manage it efficiently, like Harshvardhan. And that is why it is said that Harshvardhan was a better king. Understood?
ओके सर, ओके मैम। नाउ अदर स्टेट्स।
Yes. Okay, chalo.
I'm gonna read Mahazaki, okay?
Yes, read bit of Pulkeshi too.
Pulkeshi or other states.
Pulkeshi too से फिर से मैंने जो समझाया ना अभी।
Okay, Pulkeshi among the contemporary kings of Emperor Harsh time, Pulkeshi was the powerful Cherokee king He took his power from Rashtrakutas in Maharashtra and established a state Pulkeshi to rule for almost 40 years. He even defeated Emperor Harsh. He was a great winner. After defeating Kaudam, Gangas of Maheshwar, Mauryas of Konkan, he received the title of Lord of the South. He also defeated that Malav and Gujarat. He was the ruler of all regions of Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Konkan. Just like Harsh, he had also developed a relation with other countries. He had sent one of his ambassadors to Iran, Father Khusru too, who was his friend. Other states. All this time,
At this time,
other
only at
states
this time.
included at this time other states included Pallavas of Kanchi, Gujars, Pratihars of Rajasthan,
Very good.
Maithraks of Vallabhi, Gujars in South Gujarat, Karkotuka of Kashmir, etc. Pallavas of Kanchi had become famous for their architecture and art. They built many temples of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh by cutting rocks. Pallavas built chariot temples who on seashore have increased India cultural prosperity. Kaila- Kailashnath temple built in Kanchipuram can be considered as the best temple of that time.
Yes, understood everyone. Kailashnath temple
Yes,
built in Kanchipuram can be considered as the best temple of that time. Which time? When the Pulkeshi II was ruling in South India. है ना उस टाइम में अंडरस्टूड अंडरस्टूड बेटा यहाँ
yes,
तक
ma'am.
समझ में आया सबको किसी को कुछ डाउट At this time, other states included Pallavas of Kanchi, Gurjars, Pratiharas of Rajasthan, then Maitraks of Vallabhi. Understood? Vallabhi, Gujars in South India. Pallavas of Kanchi had become famous for their architecture and art. They built temples of Brahma. What did they build, beta? What did they construct? They constructed temples. Okay, temples of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh by cutting rocks. पत्थर को काट के temples बनाते थे, right? They built many temples of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh by cutting rocks. Understood? Understood till
Yes,
here? Yes. Pallavas who built a
yes,
chariot temple on seashore. Chariot temple means what? Chariot means everyone knows, no? Chariot temple on seashore have increased India's cultural prosperity.
yes,
Kailash,
yes.
Kailashnath temple built in Kanchipuram can be considered as the best temple of that time. Is it clear till here, everyone? Lesson number 7 is completed now. Everyone, lesson clear hai?
Yes, ma'am,
Lesson
clear.
clear. Gupta Age and other rulers. Did
Yes,
you
chapter
did,
Krura.
did you enjoy the lesson? History lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, chalo. We will do a quick revision of what all we have studied in the lesson. Okay. Chalo. Who will read? Zoher will read.
Yes, ma'am, I will read.
Muhammad Fazil.
Yes,
Fazil
ma'am, I
after
will
him.
read.
After I will give you turn. And now right now I have given Zoher.
Ma'am, wait a moment, I connect the Bluetooth. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I can start.
Yes, start better.
Lesson 7. Gupta is an other ruler. In 3rd century, impressive Gupta dynasty was established in Magadha. Magd. Gupta dynasty established political
Entitled. Entitled.
entirety, peace and security in India, which brought unprecedented prosperity. The Gupta age is called Golden Age of India. Golden Age means best progress of all the people. The Gupta rulers gave peace and prosperity to the people, which has even been appreciated by foreign travelers. Also, Gupta emperor were creators of Golden Age. Chandragupta I. Sri
Yes.
Gupta was the founder of Gupta dynasty in the kingdom of Magda. Magd. His son's name was Ghatotkacha Gupta. Chandragupta I, 319 AD, succeeded Patliputra as the successor of King Ghatotkacha. He married Kumara Devi, who was a girl of powerful Licchavi tribe. He expanded boundaries of Magda by conquering nearby places like Prayagraj,
Prayagraj.
Prayagraj, Allahabad, Saket,
Ayodhya.
Ayodhya, Assam. Ma'am, what is this? Assam.
He in
Assam
he assumed
assumed glorious title of Maharaja Dhiraj in
Maharaja Dhiraj.
Dhiraj in a place of Maharaj in order to show his power and reputation. He started gold coin. Since the accession of his coronation, he started Gupta Samvat Vallabhai, rulers of Saurashtra, also accepted Gupta Samvat due to initiation of Gupta Samvat. The arrangement of historical events according to the date line was made possible in the history of India.
Yes, so beta,
Emperor
the initiations means what के जो first try थी of Gupta Samvat, it's very much helpful for the history possible of to understand the history. It's very much important, and the most important point of this paragraph is that the founder of Gupta dynasty, who is the founder of Gupta dynasty in the kingdom of Magad? श्री गुप्ता है. कौन है? श्री गुप्ता है. कौन है बेटा? श्री गुप्ता. गुप्ता डायनेस्टी के फाउंडर कौन है? श्री गुप्ता. ओके,
Sri Gupta.
हाँ, यस, कंटिन्यू बेटा. Yes, but-
Ma'am, can I answer Muhammad Fazil?
Let him finish about Samudragupta, Fazil.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, continue, Zohair. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Emperor Samudra Gupta. After Chandragupta, His Majesty's son Samudra Gupta came to power. Information about Samudra Gupta's time. is obtained from pillar inscription of
प्रयागराज. इस
Prayagraj and his son
प्रयाग भी बोलते
and
हैं.
his coins. Yes. Prayagraj and his son, and his coins. This Prahasti has been composed by royal poet Harishan. It describes the victories and cultural achievements of Samudragupta. In very short time, he made his
triumphant journey
triumphant journey from northern state
to the
to the Kulsha rule of Afghanistan. He defeated about 12 kings in south. After defeating these kings, he restored them wisely. He restored their kingdoms, governors and officials were appointed to run the administration of the state. Samudragupta was a great conqueror and a cultural emperor. His literary achievement and his character were notable. He composed many poems and got the title of Kaviraj. Unfortunately, not even a single poem of his is available today. One coin shows Samudragupta playing Veena, which shows his love for music.
Absolutely right, Zohair. Yes, Fazil, read this paragraph, beta.
Mama Zaki Waki Fazil nahi hai.
Yes, Zaki, read beta.
During his reign, many temples, monasteries, and Jain temples were constructed. He performed Ashwamedh Yagna. In this regard, he had got coins made. He collected scholars in his court and created high quality literature. Scholars wanted he wanted scholars.
Companionship. दोनों को एक दूसरे की कंपेनियनशिप चाहिए थी. स्कॉलर्स को
companionship. He encouraged Hinduism. Encouraged Hinduism. He embraced social customs. Samudragupta's position in the history is unique and significant. He was the creator of importance of Gupta Empire. Chandragupta II, Vikramaditya.
Chandragupta II is also known as Vikramaditya. Okay.
Samudragupta died. In his place, Chandragupta II came to the throne. He not only successfully preserved the great legacy of his father, which he inherited, but also expanded the empire by conquering some of the regions. Chandragupta II was the most talented ruler of Gupta dynasty. The boundaries of his empire extended up to Shak kingdom. He attacked Gujarat and ended Shak Kshatrapa dynasty. In memory of his victory, he adopted the title of Shakari. He was also called Vikramaditya. He increased his military power by establishing marital relation with powerful kingdoms to remove Shak Kshatras. Kshatriyas, who had been ruling since 300 years. These marriages proved to be very helpful in increasing his empire and defeating his enemies. New territories won by him were every important. They obtained
Very
the
important.
rich
Very important.
kingdoms of Gujarat and Saurashtra, the prosperous ports of Biligut, Kutch, Bharuch, and Stambul Heritage
Stambrit.
Khambat. As a result, maritime trade of the state increased, and Gupta kings became owner of intangible property.
Yes, it's prosperous. Okay, not powerful. Prosperous ports. Yes.
Fahim, a Chinese pilgrim in the time of Chandragupta II, praised administration and prosperity of Gupta Empire. Through Chandragupta II was Vaishnav. He had great respect for other religions. His army chief Alma Kardev was Buddhist and his state minister Varsen was a Shaiv. Many monasteries were there in the capital
Patliputra.
Patliputra. Because of cultural achievements achieved during his reign, the Gupta age called became the Golden Age. He was the patron of scholars and poets. The great Sanskrit poet and playwright Karidas was his royal poet. Dhanvantri was his royal Vaidya. James like scientist Madahimahir, vital
Right.
but vital but writer of writer of Amar Kosh, uh, Amar
Amar
Singh,
Singh.
etc., used to adorn the court during his rule. Sculpture and drawing developed. Many of the art pavilion of Ajanta caves were made during his time. He built a number of Buddhist monasteries in the capital Pariputra. Mehrori
Patliputra.
Iron Mehrori Iron Pillar near Delhi was made during his reign, which has not rusted for centuries, despite being in heat and rain.
Yes, despite being in heat and rain, it has
He
not even
made
rusted.
Ujjain his another capital beside Patliputra. He divided the state into different administrative units for running streamlined administration. In the year 414, the great emperor Chandragupta Vikramaditya died.
Yeah, so now after the death of Vikramaditya, that is Chandragupta II, the downfall of Gupta dynasty starts, right? Be with the many reasons that we will see. Now, this is here the photo of Mehroli iron pillar, which I explained in the previous class, right? Which was made of iron, right?
And it
That
is
still
not broken by the rain and heat also.
ब्रोकन नहीं रस्टेड आयरन
Yes.
जो या जो होता है जो काट खाई जाए रस्टेड मीन्स काट खाए
Uh,
તો એવું જરાય એને નથી થયું because of the great work done by them, right? In that because of the chemistry which they have applied in that also, right? Of the construction of iron pillar, right? So this shows the what does it show? It shows the great work done by the different leaders. Okay. Now we will start with the end of Gupta dynasty. Yes, continue, beta.
yes. Gupta dynasty. End of Gupta dynasty. After that, after the death of Chandragupta II, his majestic son Kumar Gupta I came to throne. During his time, some famous caves were Nananda and some caves of Ajanta were erected. After Kumar Gupta won his brave son Kan Gupta came to power. The weak rulers of post Kan Gupta time could not withstand the onslaught attacks of the obsessive and powerful rulers, and the empire
Disintegrated.
disintegrated in 550.
AD. AD means another domain, right? Now administration of the Gupta age. How it was carried out, right? Okay.
We get information about administration during Gupta age from records, Smritis and Puranas. Accordingly, the
Governing.
governing body was divided into three sections: central, provincial,
Provincial.
and local. Emperor was at the center of Gupta administration. He uttered the titles like Maharaj,
Maharaj. Dhiraj.
Maharaja Dhiraj, Param Bhagwat. Very Prince was appointed as the head of the province. Kumar Mathia and Commissioner played a major role in the province. The province was called Gupti, was regional. The province was divided into districts. The district was called Vishay. A committee was formed at the village level, which included adult village heads and important adult citizens. In economic condition during Gupta age, in economic terms, Gupta age was a golden period farming, internal trade where it
International.
developed special farming practices included annual 3-year and 5-year farming, wheat, rice in North India, sugarcane in Gandhar, grapes and kesar in Kashmir, and coconut in Kamrup were grown. Rice was grown in large quantity in Bengal, cotton in
Cotton.
Gujarat and Sindh, and silk was produced in Bengal. Trade of condiments and spices, silk and cotton are developed in South India. King used to tax 1/6 of